तो हम फिर से मिरेकल्स ऑफ मदर टिंचर बुक को पढ़ रहे हैं। तो आज स्टार्टिंग है एलिफेंटियासिस डिसीज़ कंडीशन से। तो इस डिसीज़ के बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं। थिकनिंग ऑफ feet like those of elephant due to filarial swelling. Medicine है हाइड्रोकोटाल एशिया Q 1X and anacardium 6 have been regarded as specific in alteration. Enlargement of spleen enlargement की कंडीशन में Chionanthus Q 1X internally and externally is a specific for enlarged spleen and splenitis. नेक्स्ट है अजारेडिक्टा क्यू और असारी और एंडरसोनिया क्यू क्विनिया इंडिका क्लोरोडेंड्रॉन क्यू ल्यूपस एस्पेरा क्यू दे डू क्योर स्प्लेनिक अफेक्शंस इफ अटेंडेड विद मलेरियल फीवर स्पेशली व्हेन सप्रेस्ड बाय क्विनाइन। कैरिका पपाया एंड डिस्पेप्टिक्स। और नेक्स्ट है Calotropis lactum specifically in cases having presence or history of syphilitic poison. Lupus aspera Q1X with loss of voice. और नेक्स्ट कंडीशन है वो है enlargement of uterus. Flexinus americana Q, it is specific for enlargement of uterus, gallstones and biliary colics. Violent pain in hepatic region with bilious manifestation while stones are passing. Cardiac Q1. Next, when liver is predominantly affected with torpidity, constipation, etc. Barbaris Q, when urinary symptoms are predominant affections of left kidney, renal colic. Chionanthus Q associated with constant pain under right shoulder. Dysphoria Q, when pain ameliorates on bending backward. Colostrinum 1X, specific remedy to be used independently or in alternation with other remedies. Stigmata Q relieves at once the violent pain if given during paroxysm. Parena brava Q, renal colic, difficulty maturation with strong urging, fullness, violent pain in bladder and back, crying bitterly, red sand or brick dust in urine. Thalassemia bursa pastorix, renal colic with hematuria and dropsy. Cactus Q, gallstones और renal colic with constriction and cardiac affections. Goiter के बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं. Enlargement of cervical glands in big size. Iodine 1X internally and externally acts like a patent medicine. Thyroidinum 1X, if goiter is attended with retarded physical and mental growth, emaciation, etc. Fucus vesiculus Q 1X, goiter in subject with obesity. Gonorrhea की कंडीशन पढ़ते हैं. Frequent painful scanty urine with tenesmus and discharge of pus from urethra. Cubeba Q 1X, thick yellow pus during micturations. Next medicine है Vesicaria com Q 1X, specific remedy in all cases. Cannabis sativa 1X, patient walks with legs wide apart. Next medicine है Colus aromatics Q with hematuria, nephritis or cystic discharge of mucous membrane, deposit of red sand. Next condition है hydrophobia. Terrified at sight of water or shining things after bite of mad dog or jackal. Echinacea Q, it is a specific remedy. Hemorrhagic dysentery, passing of huge amount of blood in dysentery. Castor oil in 1 drop dose to clear the bowels. Atesta radix Q 1X, when emission of blood is prominent. Syphilandra indica Q, mucus and blood green stools with pain in navel region when all other remedies have failed. Next, Eupyterium Iapen Q 1X in hemorrhagic diathesis. Baptisia 1X, when dysentery assumes a typhoid state with malignancy and prostration. Next है Vaccinium metallicum Q, gangrenous stage of intestine, dysentery with foul blood. Aloes 1X, Aloes Q, mucus and blood with prolapses, ani and loss of power of splinter into resulting involuntary discharges. Next condition है hemorrhage. Hemorrhagic condition की remedies. Passing of blood plus passive or active. Side on Dactylon 1Q. Hemorrhages from orifices. Ficus religiosa Q. Bright red blood from any orifice of body. Hemophilia Q. Dark blood. Paraphos specifically in bleeding after injury or with febrile condition and a great anti-hemorrhagic. और है नेक्स्ट जेरेनियम म्यूकुलेटम क्यू टू चेक इंस्टेंटली एनी काइंड ऑफ ब्लीडिंग इन ऑल्ट्रेशन विद फेरमफॉस हिस्टीरिया कंडीशन ओकेजनल फेंटिंग एंड सेमी अनकॉन्शियसनेस कैम्फर क्यू लेट द पेशेंट स्मेल इट टू अराउज फ्रॉम सून पेसिफ्लोरा इनकैरनेटा क्यू टू इंड्यूस स्लीप मॉइस्चर्स क्यू आर जनरल रेमेडी हाइड्रोसाइनिक एसिड विद convulsion and long gasping hiccup हिचकी ginseng क्यू Banexity specific remedy heart affections Cretaceous oxy q it is a specific remedy for all kinds of cardiac affections cactus grandiflorus q rheumatic heart with sense of constriction as if screwed with iron hand affection of left upper extremity coccus cacti perverted action of heart stinging pains in the heart with hemorrhage of clotted blood from the heart Makaradhwaj Q general tonic of heart weak pulse aconite naples Q weakness of heart with regular beat and imperceptible pulse coldness of body face cyanotic and like a corpse etc high blood pressure Ranvolfia serpentina a specific remedy nux vomica in dyspeptic conditions insomnia loss of sleep passiflora incarnata q 60 drops in an ounce of hot water at 8 p.m. and if needed repeat it 9 p.m. insanity madness Revolvia serpentina q a specific remedy passiflora to induce sleep impotency loss of power of sexual intercourse Avena sativa q Damiana q ashwagandha q 1 dose each in 5 drop doses cures impotency spermatoria and nervous debility camphor q it is a great stimulant but constant use causes impotence similar is the action of cantharis q intermittent fever for exhaustive study read medicines in chapter 2 which have been written in chapter on therapeutic hints jaundice paleness of urine conjunctiva constipation and biliousness carduous marianus q a specific remedy berberis vulgaris q if associated with kidney troubles originating in left kidney kala ajar intermittent fever blue distended veins black tongue and face double rise of temperament enlarged spleen and liver tongue clean etc calmate q specific remedy asani q 1x in the last stage of kala ajar with hematuria bloody stool and affection of brain and heart are prominent next carduous q if liver complaints are prominent chionanthus q to reduce the size of enlarged spleen next leprosy it is characterized by red blotches, gangrene, numbness, tingling, deformities, etc. Medicine है Genocordia adorata Q specifically used in leprosy in the beginning stage. और Calopropis Q specifically used in gangrenous stage. Hydrocotyl asiatica Q red spots, circular spots with scaly edges. अब है हाइग्रोफिला स्पिनोसा क्यू डी पल्सल्स ऑफ लेप्रोसी एनाकार्डियम क्यू डॉक्टर महेंद्र लाल सरकार इज रिपोर्टेड टू हैव क्यूर्ड अ केस ऑफ लेप्रोसी विद एनाकार्डियम लेबर पेन कोलोफाइलम क्यू 1x ensures painless delivery if given twice since 7th month if given during labor it ensures safe delivery Passiflora incarnata Q to reduce intolerable pain तो ये मेडिसिन बहुत पेन को कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प करती है लेबर के टाइम पे Leukorrhea, discharge of white, yellow or reddish discharge from mucous membrane of uterus with backache and weakness. Abroma augusta Q is specifically attended with dysmenorrhea, constipation, ravenous hunger, profuse and frequent micturition, intense thirst, etc. Elytris farinosa Q, attended with weakness of uterus and general debility. Ovatosta 1X, a whale night specific, attended with constant backache. Ashoka Q with menstrual disorders. Viburnum Q and prune Q 1X, specifically in those who are habituated to abortion or dysmenorrhea. Menstrual disorder. Ashoka Q is a specific remedy. Senecio Q should be alternated with Ashoka Q. Mental weakness. Weakness of memory attended with nervous debility and spermatorrhea are radically cured by Ashwagandha Q and Avena sativa Q. 2 doses each in 5 drop doses. Abstain from caution till radical cure is gained. Neuralgia. Pain in the course of nerve study. Pars Avena passiflora incarnata and passiflora compound in second chapter. Nocturnal emission of semen at night in dream or without dream. Ficus indica 1X, spermatorrhea due to excessive waste of semen. Thymol Q attendant with voluptuous fancies, frequent priapisvis, prostatic discharge during micturition. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन जो इसकी है वो है वेलिस पेरेंसिस इफ़ अटेंडेड विद वर्टाइगो। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, नेक्स्ट हम आगे की वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे।